Sitting on a toilet! Yeah, I'm sitting on a toilet. I'm not going to do that. So, just deal with it. But I'm going to say something about that. So I'm going to keep recording. Finishing my poop. Somebody fucking help me! I'm on toilet paper! You fucking asshole, Jamie!
Are you practicing for the Super Bowl?
Am I gonna have to wait till my mom's home?
I'm back taking out that means
Am I gonna have to wait till my mom's home? Ben!
what?
Get me some toilet paper!
Air's right, you can do it. Jamie, actually, do you want you can run a poll?
Well, pause the video for now.